I'ma stop coming on this camera looking rusty, crusty, busty, dusty. I don't know when, but I'm back. Look.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me, and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We can say on and pop, we keep it rocking, we ain't stopping, period. Alright y'all, so in today's video, because I've been getting more and more of you all hitting me up in my DMs and my email, I wanted to sit down and do this video on why I feel like if you have experienced extreme hair loss like myself, why it would be best to just go ahead and consider just big chopping. I'm gonna just tell y'all why I did it. Okay, so the first reason I feel like you should big chop is gives your hair a chance to restart the process all over again. And if you're like me and you experience recurring hair loss, I feel like when I did the big chop my second time, or I did the big chop 3 times actually, but when I did this big chop after experiencing my extreme hair loss, I felt like I didn't want to do the big chop, but I knew it was necessary because of how bad my hair had come out. The first time I did the big chop, I completely shaved my hair bald. It was no hair on it. It was like palm bald. You can see the shininess of my scalp. That's how bald I had cut my hair the first time when I had started experiencing extreme hair loss. My hair loss the first time wasn't as bad as my hair loss this time, but it was still bad. And that time I just completely shaved my hair bald. This time I noticed that with cutting my hair, because I didn't do the didn't shave my hair completely bald, I just shaved it down evenly. All of it was really even. So because part of my hair was still there, you could see the area that I was having the trouble with, and you still can see it because I didn't shave my hair completely bald. So that's why I feel like if you are experiencing extreme hair loss like I experience, I feel like you should go ahead on and completely shave your head bald, because it'll just be more beneficial to you on your journey, and you won't have to worry about this part of your hair growing at a shorter period of time than the rest of your hair. It just uncomplicates a lot of the complications that could come with you experiencing hair loss. To me, it decreases the stress. I know it's easier said than done because you're not experiencing how it makes you feel when you shave your head, because when I cut my hair off, I felt like a new person. My first and my second time when experiencing extreme hair loss. I know it sounds like it's a bit crazy, but it's really reality. You feel the stress level decreasing because okay, now you're feeling like, okay, I'm starting over, so I'm giving my hair a chance to really see if it's going to grow back out. And then that's what you're doing. You are eliminating the chances of you having to deal with the hair coming out over and over and over again, because you have already cut your hair completely bald. So you're giving your hair a chance to just grow out at the same rate. And that's why I feel like with us that experience this hair loss, we doing a big chop just is better for our scalp, because we can see the growth happening all together, versus with you dealing with the hair loss and you having these patches in your head, and then when your hair starts to grow back, is like your hair is not going to be the same length. You want to be brave, like Now, this is just my suggestion if you don't want to take it. Yeah, I'm not forcing you, but this is just what I feel like should happen when you experience extreme hair loss. Now another reason I feel like that you should go ahead, and this goes hand in hand with the fresh start, you're actually preparing your hair for the new hair follicles to come in. This will basically prepare you for your fresh start. This will, now when you experience your hair loss, if you still feel like there are some little follicles, you can still see the like follicles in your scalp, this is letting you know that your hair has a chance of growing back. A lot of us get discouraged because we feel like when we experience this extreme hair loss, we're not gonna get our hair to come back. But if you still feel those hair follicles, if you do or do not go to a dermatologist, and you know on your own that you can see those hair follicles, or your dermatologist tell you that you still have hair follicles on your on your scalp, so your hair has an opportunity to grow back, this will help the chances of you actually seeing that growth coming in, because you're gonna know that those follicles are still there for your hair to get ready to experience this new growth. Now if you do decide that you're gonna go ahead and do the big chop, if you're experiencing extreme hair loss, I know a lot of us feel like we won't be able to do the the hairstyles, rock the braids and do all of that, but that's what wigs are for. Don't be afraid to try use some wigs, try out some new looks with your wigs. I have plenty of wigs. They now have braided wigs, all of the different hairstyles that you can do with having your hair, like having hair, you can get in braided hairstyles. So don't be afraid to try those hairstyles. You still can experience the different hairstyles even with having your bald head. And don't be afraid to rock your bald head, because child, my system alarm, girl, it's nothing wrong with rocking your bald head, but I know that it is best that if you are experiencing some extreme hair loss, or if you're experiencing those bald patches, like increasingly, if you're experiencing increasingly hair loss, you should go ahead and just take that plunge and just completely start over, because it'll just be better for you on your journey, and it just helps for you to just start your journey fresh. I feel like that's why I always take the initiative to just start completely over by shaving my head, or chopping my hair all one length, because it just starts anew, and it's nothing wrong with starting fresh, starting over, because you don't want to, and that's my thing with, I want to get down to the root of the problem so I can fix it, and if that calls for me to do a big chop, then I would do that, because it's hair grows back. So don't be afraid to just go ahead and take that plunge. And if you're afraid to rock your bald, just like I said, get you a wig. You can still have the looks that you love, and you can just get it in a wig, point blank period. But yes, that is my advice to you. If you want to take any of this advice, the tips and tricks that I learned and I try to put it out there, so hopefully it'll be beneficial to you all on your journey, because I know with us experiencing these scalp conditions, it's not easy. It is not easy. Y'all, I'm no expert. I'm literally just taking what I'm learning and trying to apply it. And if it works out for me, then that's when I feel the need to come and let y'all know, because it's tough dealing with this stuff. It really is tough, and I know it's depressing, but you can't let it defeat you, because that's when you will be defeated, when you let it defeat you. So yeah, let me know any reasons that you all have below, and yeah, help a sister out, help more sisters out, brothers too, because a few brothers are on here asking me advice as well, so we need to help each other. So that's it. I do want to let y'all know that I'm going to be having a new uploading schedule. I'm going to start back uploading videos twice a week. I don't know when I'm going to start. Probably like in 2 weeks I'll be starting back with uploading two videos a week, because I want to give y'all hairstyles that I be doing on myself to help aid in the growth that I have. So I think I'm gonna be doing those on one day, and then the informational videos or entertaining videos and all of that will be on another day. I'll let y'all know when I plan it all out and get it all together. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.